Hello guys, this is secure, this is sleek, this is smarter. Let's build the banking the modern way. Hello guys, welcome to Learn with JJTech. Today we are going to be working on this beautifully made piece of bank. Let's start from here. Let's see what the qualities of our bank is. Let's look at what it's looking like. First of all, we are looking at this very sleek front end. As you can see, it has the part for the reviews. These are the reviews, as you can see. This is top-notch, professionally built banking for the front end, as you can see it here. We are going to be going straight also into the admin. Let's go straight into the admin. So, at the part of this video, we are going to be looking at building it. So for now, we are going to be looking on how to operate it, how to set it up from the admin. So on this bank, what you only need mostly it's to set up your ENV, your database, set it up and go to the admin to do the rest. You see this at the end of this video, how that was done. You see that at the end of this video. So we are going straight into our admin right now. So we'll come here and say these logs I'm writing right now are the default logs of this script. So when you get it, you know what to do. Admin 123. So let's access this. So some of the good, very sleek functions and features of this bank. Number one, it has a top futuristic banking dashboard. It has the part of the monthly deposit on the user end. It has the automatic transaction history on this admin part that we are right now. You see the monthly expenses you have used on the bank. You see the card application, very sleek and sweet. You see there's a functional ticket support here. Also, you have crypto deposits, you have paper deposits, you have credit card deposits, you have bank transfer deposits, you have a currency swap. Just imagine you can swap from your normal USD to BTC, your normal USD to Ethereum, other coins that you want, just how you want it. It has a robust loan system. The loan system in this banking you can use as a loan system. You can just extract the whole part and use only the loan system. It will be enough. It is that robust. It has tax refunds, that's grants, that's two-factor authentication. So you can use the authentication on this. You can connect it to your Google Auth. You can connect, and you can also save beneficiary account. Yeah, like you can save an account to your beneficiary. This is a massive script. It is just a few of them I've said. It is a tip of the iceberg I've just given you. Now let's go into this. Let's see how you can set it up immediately after you have actually set up your ENV and stuff, or you just want to use it for a personal project or a personal school project or so on and so forth. Before we go into this video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you very much. So first of all, we'll come to the app settings. And before we start going to the user and so on and so forth, I'm going to be looking at the app settings and so on. First of all, we'll come here. First thing you have to do here is to change this to your bank URL. So we'll come here and put this here, paste it, save it. You can turn off the SMS and turn on the SMS. And if you have a Twilio, your SMS is going an active Twilio or any panel like Twilio that will work for you. So right now we're looking at transfer codes. The good thing about this bank is that you can edit the transfer codes, not just edit their names. You can edit the message that shows on those transfer codes. For instance, this is the IMF code. You can edit these messages also. You can change this IMF code to something else. Let's say our the Rolls-Royce code, our code. I'm just joking here. So you can change to an our code, save it here. You can turn off and on each code. You can choose to say, I just want this code to show today. I don't want the rest code. And say you just want look at it, it's changed. So you can say you just want the task code to show today. So you can turn off and on and save. Yeah. So that's on that part. There's can also come here. This is where you put your contact email. You can also come here You can also come here to the email. Yeah. You can also come here to the email. You set up the email. Let's use this to set up the email. Let's say, and mind you, this part is strictly for developers. You can set up the email and say email from info at, let's put that, let's come here and say, let's save that. So we also need it for SMTP part, SMTP. So we are doing this for that. Also username, let's use the no reply. No reply. So this is the password. Let's say there's the host. Let's change the host to, let's say this is the host. And you can change to SSL 465. Save. That is saved. Very good. Very, very good. Now for the theme and display, you can change it whatever time you want. But for me, I'm okay with what I have right now, what I'm using right now. Yeah, so come here, you can change it to, let's do the Sparkle X. So welcome to Sparkle X, and save, date it. Very good, very good, very good. So I'm going to manage users. Very good. Now let's create a user. Let's create user. Let's create a new user. So we'll come here and say JJTech. Let's call this one JJ. Come here. Username JJTech one. We can't use this. So come here and say so the initial balance, let's put this. These are all our codes. Is there anyone that's not set? Okay, all our codes are set. So come to choose a file. Let's choose whatever file I have here. So come say the password. Add user. Very good. So let's go to manage users right now. Very good. So we have this on the manage user. We'll come to manage. Alright, so we are inside this part. So first of all, we have to make this account active. So come here, turn off dormant accounts. First of all, that's first step. What next? So we are going to be doing we're going to be using the automatic transaction. So I'm going to say generate transaction, as you can see, but it's, let's say, the minimum of 1,000 or 10,000, $10,000, 1, 2, 3. Max amount, let's say 100. I don't know what's that about. So let's type credit. Come here, see from, let's see from no, let's see from here to now, so today. So click on number of transaction. Let's say 12. So let's see on generate transaction. So these are automatic transaction history. You don't have to start stressing yourself, putting it one by one. You create for credit, you come and create for debit from the same date to the same date that we just did. So we'll come again, that one is created already. You will see it from our dashboard soon. So we'll come here again, generate transaction. Let's put this one 15,000. to, let's say, 2 million credit. No, this for debit so that we can see it clearly. So come here and do from 16th till today. So number of transaction, say 10. All right, so let's go inside our 10 transaction generated successfully. Now let's go inside our dashboard. So it's going to open like this first here. So let's go inside properly. I don't want our tab for admin to go to close up. So we'll go to proceed into our dashboard. So let's introduce you into the best dashboard you can find online. This is it, the Bank Pro X dashboard. Very good. So this is it. This is how it looks. Very sleek, very sweet to use. So this balances the accumulation of the transaction history we just did, the first and second one. So this is what it looks like. So we are going to go to our transactions to see what we just created, our transaction history. Very good. So you have the debit, you have the credit. You see how they are mixed. They are mixed. You can also open the receipt for them also. The receipt are also very close to them. So you see what the receipt looks like. So you see different figures as you can see. So this is the best way to do this. So you can come to your card. Let's see how the card looks like. So you can just come and apply for card. Now the card, the loan, everything about this bank is very robust. It's very wide. It's very, very, very sleek. So you can come here and just apply for your card. So you apply for US. So the spending limit, you can increase it. Let's say 2,000. Oh, there's something under it. Limit is to 1,000. So let's make it 1,000. Receiving information, deck, agree, submit application. So let's see what it looks like. On the admin part, you see the application. You can also approve it. So let's see what we have. So now let me explain one of these. This is one by one. You can edit your balance here. The account usage limit, you can have it here. You can manage the two-factor authentication here too. Change profile pic, reset password, turn on and off for dormant account. That's when you want an account to go off and on the transfers. Clear account, clear BTC account, edit, send email. You can send an email to only this user. You can also check the login activity. You can also block this user from even entering the whole dashboard itself. So you can also delete this user too. So that's what this part is for. Now this is the grant application. So anybody that applies for the grant, you see it from here, and you can also approve from here too, as you can see. Create a new user, which we just used already. New user applications to approve, that's to verify them from here or not. You can choose to verify them from here or not. But I already did the verification from the other side. So transfer transactions, you can also see transfer transactions from here. You can see it from here. Look at what we just did. All these transactions that we just did is here. So you can choose to go there and put each of these transaction on paid, reject, on hold. You understand? So once a transaction is done, it comes here first. So you can choose to put it on reject, on hold, or paid. Transaction history, which we have seen already on our user part, because for now this is the only user on this part. So the virtual cards, let's say pending application, which we just did here now. So we'll come to pending application, we see it here, and we'll click on approve. So let's see what we have here. First of all, you have a very, very active notification bar here. I've seen a lot of online banking that the notification bar is just there. Look at it, has turned to 2. The notification bar is just there for like fancy, but this one is here, so it will let you know that your card application has been approved. So you see that this is a view bank system that is good and sleek. So now this is our bank. This is what we have on our bank right now. This is what we have on our card. View details. It is standard. It is cool. It is good. I don't know the word you want to use for it, but so far that word is describing something that is super. This is super. So we are coming to our cards. I've seen our cards, this local transfer, the international transfer, the deposits. The deposit is one of the things I like the most about this bank. Is there anything I don't think there's anything I don't like about this bank. Well, let's look at the deposits. Let's look at the deposit. This is the transfer, international and local transfer. So when you are doing the international and local transfer, you can choose to turn on all those codes. The local transfer goes straight up. International local transfer goes with just your PIN. The international transfer goes with those codes. So you can choose to turn off only one or two and it goes through. I hope we have the time to check that. So this is your credit card deposit, your USDT, your bank transfer, your Bitcoin, your PayPal. This is very, very good. Very, very good. So you come here, you say you want to put, let's say 100. So you come to continue. You see the Bitcoin address. Then you also see the parts that this QR code and everything. Then you also see the parts that you have to upload your proof of payment. Yeah. So this is what we have for that. International transfer. Okay, let's look at local transfer here. So we have a PIN here, Spanish visa. So let's go through this. Let's go through one of the transfers. So let's copy our PIN 992. Let's do this. Come here. Let's say we're transferring like $1 million. Go here. Click. Let's click account number. Something. Bank name. JJ Bank. So let's come here. Routing number. Put something. KJ. And let's come here. Let's say transaction PIN, which we just copy it, paste it, review. So you can save to beneficiary as you can see it on. So confirm transaction. It's going through, then it's complete. Because you just have to put the PIN here for the normal transaction. It's good to go. Now, for the other part, you have to turn on those codes, which are these codes. I want this to complete if I go to the codes. I'll wait for that. Let's go to the codes. So come to settings. Okay, that's complete. So it brings us here, as you can see. According to Ola of Lagos, you will love it. You will love it. So now this is it. You will love it. You see the color. You see space. I was just joking. So this is what it looks like. Can view the receipts and see what the receipt looks like also. This is how the receipt looks like. Very sweet, very sweet. So that's what local transfer. For international transfer, you turn on all those codes or turn them off so that you only use maybe the OTP. Let me explain what I'm saying. I need to show you this so that you understand how robust and how good this bank is. You will love it. So let's come here. You see the codes, transfer codes. You see, when you want to turn on all these things, when you want to transfer, you can just say you don't want this code 1, which is the RR code. You don't want it to see code 1, code 2. You don't want the Swift code. You just want only the OTP. Turn on only the OTP and save. But if you say that's not what you want, you just want only, let's say, the Swift code, just turn it on. That's code 2. Turn it on. Update. You use only the Swift code. You are good to go. That's for the international transfer. That's what's needed for international transfer. You're good to go. Now let's look at the currency swap. Another thing I love so much about this bank, the currency swap. So now you will see that this thing is giving you real-time BTC what? For instance, USD to BTC. So you are putting 100 USD to BTC. This is what it is in BTC. Swap currencies and go straight into the Bitcoin wallet. It is crazy. It is crazy. So now let's look at, you see the loans here. The loans is robust, like I said to you. I open it and you see what I'm talking about. The loan part is robust. You see the tax refund, you see the grants, see so on and so forth. It is super. You love it. As you can see, why choose loan service, quick approval, and so on and so forth. Now you have to get ready, apply for a loan. Now let's look at our settings and our support. We go back to look at our main dashboard again. So I'm sure you will love it. This word is entering my mouth so bad. So these are support. Look at how our settings. This dashboard is so built professionally. This is, I don't want to use some words, but this is so good. This is so good. It's so good. So your live chat is easily connected to this part. you go on, or the person choose to create a ticket on the support parts that we're about to open now. Choose to create a ticket, and you're good to go. So submit a ticket. The ticket, you see the ticket on the admin part. Once it's created, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's look at how this dashboard is even on mobile, so that you have to actually feel it, have to actually see it, see how good it is. And don't forget, you have the dark mode, you have the light mode, and this is something that you can turn on for the front end also itself. You can turn it on, light mode and dark mode. Look at it, turn it on, and it's good. You're good to go. Okay, and this thing is also at the front end also that we looked at when we started for the Bank X. So from here, we are going to go straight into how to build it, how to build this. Now, this is our dashboard. You will love it. This is our dashboard. In fact, you adore it. This is on the dark mode. You will love it. You adore it. This is what we have. This is what we have. So beautiful. Our cards is here. Right now, some of our transactions are popping up on the side. As you can see, the limit is there, which you can increase. The penny transaction is there. The total, it is very, 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 very lovable. You will love it. It is very, very, very lovable. You will love it. So this is what we have now. You can also turn it to light mode. Your notification bar is working properly. Everything here is working properly. Yeah, it's going straight into your emails too. So it's so good, so safe. Thank you for watching this video. Now we are going straight into how to build it. Thank you very much. So let's go straight into the building of this particular banking website. So first of all, you need your cPanel or whatever panel you are using, or for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the cPanel. Go to your file manager. For me, I'll be using my folder as my public HTML, but for you, you might just get the cPanel for the sake of this particular project. This is the folder I'm using, BankPro X. I'm going to BankPro X, and we'll upload. First of all, you upload the file. If you are commenting on my videos, if you watch my videos a lot, you know I divide my setups into three. First of all, upload. Second, and there is also a written installation guide to it, as you can see. First, upload. Second, I call it setting up of database, and the third is editing. So you're uploading, a setting up database, and you're editing. So while this is uploading, let's go and set up our database. You come to our main menu, come here and say database wizard. Click on database wizard. Then let's call this one Bank Pro XDB database, and copy what is written here, copy it, and go to next step. Copy what you just inserted in this input, and paste it here also. What we are trying to do is make a database password, database username, database name follow. What I mean is that we are trying to make all of them similar to each other, so that when we are setting up the env or the database, the PHP, or so on and so forth, so that when we are setting up the env, right? So let's check for our upload if it's done. All right, so our upload is done, so we'll go back. You can just follow me the way I'm doing, then you're good. So we'll come here, we click on extract it here. Okay, and close this, reload. Everything's inside our folder right now. Don't need another step down to come and open our env. This env, click on it, edit. Then we'll come here, come to our place to just create a database form. Then we can come here and say PHP admin. You can type PHP admin from anywhere, but let's go there. So for the purpose of this video and purpose of this particular template, these are the .env is open. Then what we come here to do is click paste our database we just created, paste it as the password, database username, and database itself. Then we have to change this to what we have here, bank for X. Save. Then you can change the name also from here. Say bank for X. All right, so let's look for the database we just created. Say bank for X database. This is it. You click on it. Make sure you clicked on that exact one. Then you come to import. You also import the SQL, which is also a separate file. You can choose file, then import this and import. So while we were waiting for this to come up, right, so we have to wait for this to upload, because for this particular template, it is very simple. All we have to do is upload our file, set up the database, and every other thing is done from the settings. Every other thing, the SMTP, the live charts, the logo, every other thing is done from the settings of this particular site. So it is very robust. Even you can even change the transfer codes, can change the transfer codes, the billings, and so on and so forth, just like we've seen, and change it from the admin. So everything is done on the admin. This is the only setup you need for this particular script. This is the only setup. Everything I just did, upload, set up your .env, and please, for new cPanels, you might not see .env immediately. You come on it. So what you have to do is to click on show hidden file so that you can see .env. If there is no, if you don't click on the option show hidden file, you will not see the .env file. Yeah, so same for your hosting and so on and so forth. Each panel or any kind of panel, just make sure your show hidden file button is open. Now this is what we have now. We're waiting for this file to be properly uploaded, so that we can see what we have for our website. All right, so we have our database installed. We already done the connection here also on this part on the .env. So let's see what we have. That's what we have here. Very good. So very good. So we have our account, our bank setup. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of going to your admin, setting up your SMTP, and we are going to be looking through what this bank looks like. So you can put it on the light mode or the dark mode from here. And also let's see what our admin looks like. So I've taken you through all the part of how you can get to your admin, how you can get to your admin, so on and so forth through this bank. So right now, while you can get to your admin, so on and so forth through this bank, if you need the script, you can send me a direct message on my WhatsApp, my Telegram, or my Instagram. All my handles for this social media platforms they are all in the description of this video right now. I won't send you my number in the comment section. My number is in the description. I won't send you my number in the comment section. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. I'm always in the comment section to answer your questions. Thank you.